This black Lenovo Legion 5i gaming laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. Weighing 2.5 kilograms, this laptop is suitable for gamers on the move. Powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, this laptop allows you to play demanding games without lag. With 12 MB smart cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop features an 8GB DDR4 RAM with NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics that supports high-quality graphics and high frame rates during gameplay. The Lenovo laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space, which is sufficient to hold all your videos, movies and photos. It also has 256 GB SSD for high responsiveness and faster boot ups. It comes with an 80 watt-hour battery that provides a battery backup of up to 8 hours. The Lenovo Legion 5i laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display for an immersive gaming and streaming experience. It comes with Harman speakers with Dolby Atmos for an immersive audio experience. The laptop has 3 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, 1 USB 3.1 Gen 1 always-on port, 1 USB-C 3.1 display port, 1 HDMI port, and 1 RJ45 Ethernet port. It also comes with a mic and headphone combo port and 1 Kensington lock slot. The laptop comes with adapter and manual included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.